Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of shoe rack designs, offering a variety of creative and practical ideas to help you organize your footwear in style. We will explore sleek, minimalistic racks perfect for small spaces, showcasing how to maximize storage without sacrificing aesthetics. For those with large collections, we will highlight modular and expandable designs that can grow with your needs. You will also discover innovative DIY options using everyday materials perfect for adding a personal touch to your home. Additionally, we will look at eco-friendly solutions crafted from sustainable materials, blending functionality with environmental consciousness. Whether you are aiming for a modern look with metal and glass or a rustic vibe with reclaimed wood, this video has something for every taste and budget. Join us as we transform cluttered entryways and closet into organized, stylish spaces with these inspiring shoe rack designs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization tips and design inspirations. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.